If there is an option for Afterpay, I'm clicking it. I don't care how much money I have. I don't even care how much the product is. If it's $5, then I'm paying 4 payments of $125.
Why is Pay in 4 so addictive? I don't know what it is about a Pay in 4, but I can just never resist.
Imagine this. You walk into the mall with your homies, minding your business, planning to window shop because your wallet is basically in survival mode. Then you see it, the PS5 Slim glowing like it spawned from a loot box. Your brain goes, yep, I need that. Your homie immediately hypes you up. Bro, just get it. You work hard. You deserve happiness. Yeah, happiness. But happiness costs $499, and you currently have $503.12 in your account. So realistically, you deserve a nap. You're about to walk away when suddenly a wild store employee appears. Hey, you don't need to pay all at once. You can split it into 4 easy payments. And your brain, which failed math in school, goes, 4 is less than 1. There's no way this can hurt me. Fast forward 1 week. You got the PS5. Your bank account is crying. The payments keep respawning like zombies in COD. You're not alone. BNPL has basically become the final boss of impulse buying. By 2025, it's expected to hit $560 billion, and almost 900 million people will be using it by 2027. Companies like Klarna, Afterpay, and Affirm showed up like debt, but made it cute. Pastel colors, confetti animations, friendly UI. It's like Disney decided to make a loan app. But BNPL isn't just a cute app. It's literally a money printing machine. But how though? Merchant fees. When you buy that $100 hoodie with BNPL, the store has to pay Klarna or Afterpay $4 to $6. Stores still agree because you're way more likely to buy something, and you're way more likely to buy the expensive version. Then there's the late fees. BNPL says 0% interest, no extra cost. But that's only if you never miss a payment. About 1 in 3 people forget at least once. When you slip up, BNPL's like, hey bestie, that'll be $10. And for bigger purchases like laptops, furniture, and vacations, BNPL charges interest, sometimes a lot, up to 36%. That's borrowing $100 and paying back $136. So, BNPL makes money from every angle. Fees, late payments, interest. It's actually insane, but that's not even the crazy part. BNPL works this well because it literally knows how your brain works. It's like making humans act dumb confidently. Present bias, enjoy now, cry later. BNPL version, take it today. Future, you can deal with it. Mental accounting, $499 hurts, $124 4 times. Light work, your brain scams itself. 0 friction. BNPL shows up on the product page like, hey king, tap here to ruin your budget early. Gamification, progress bars, badges, rewards. It feels like leveling up, except you're leveling up your debt. 63% of BNPL users stack multiple loans. 1 in 3 literally forgets what they owe. And a lot of people don't use BNPL to flex. They use it just to look stable. But real talk though, if you can't afford it now, splitting it into 4 payments doesn't make it cheaper. It just makes you forget you're broke until the payment hits. BNPL gives you the dopamine hit now, and the bill when you've already forgotten why you wanted the limited edition controller in the first place. So next time you see that split into 4 payments button, ask yourself one thing. Am I buying this, or is BNPL buying me? If you learned something, hit subscribe. It's free, unlike your BNPL payments.